To add an event, go to the side menu and select Add Event. Enter the name of the person organising the event and enter a name for your event and a short description. From the drop-down menu, select the category for your event. Enter your budget and select the start date and start time of your event. You have the option to set the end time of the event. If there is no set end time, select the checkbox. Set the date your guests need to RSVP by and enter the address of your event. You have the option to use preset images. Delete any you do not require by selecting the red crosses on each photo, or you can upload your own by selecting the plus icon. And once you have uploaded your images, press Add Event to save.